Ito na guys yung application na pwede tayong umutang dito. Make sure guys na may account po kayo dito. Kung wala pa kayong account, ilagay ko na lang sa description box. So dito, make sure na kayo po ay fully verified. So dito, hindi lang sa pagsendang money, pag-bank transfer, pag-buy ng load. So pwede din tayong umutang dito. So dito nga guys, itap natin itong view all services. And then makikita nyo yung mga tools dito sa application na to, yung my favorite, send, pay, borrow, grow, enjoy, manage, and then others. So dito, itap natin yung borrow. Dito tayo po uutang. So pwede sa G-Loan, G-Save, G-Credit. So dito sa G-Loan, abot kayong loan sa up to 125,000 pesos yung pwede nating utangin dito kung ano po yung eligible na binigay sa atin na pwede nating utangin. So itap natin itong G-Loan. And then dito nga guys, welcome to G-Loan, simple maasahan at makataong instant cash loan partner. Tap natin yung next, mabilis na lang ang loan ngayon. So choose your loan amount, select your payment terms, confirm your details. So next natin yan. And then dito nga guys, approve po tayo ng 1,000 pesos. So loan details dito is payable in 5 months. So interest rate 6.57%, average per month. So, processing fee, 3% on time. Ito po guys, hindi natin buo na 1,000 marireceive. May kaltas po yan kasi may one-time processing na 3%. And then dito, how it works. Basahin nyo na lang po yung mga nakalagay dyan. And then, itap natin tong get started. Dito nga guys, i-enter lang natin yung hihiramin natin na loan. So, 1,000 yung available natin na loan. So, itap natin itong payable in 5 months. 6.57% interest. So, per month natin is 265.70 pesos per month po yan na babayaran natin. So, hindi ka na po mahihirapan yan. Kasi 200 plus lang. And then, purpose of loan, occasion, travel, special occasion, general expenses, others, or pay bills. So, dito, general expenses po tayo. Ang ating loan, 1,000 pesos, 3% processing fee, 30 pesos. So, total amount to receive natin is 970 pesos. Iyan po yung marireceive natin sa ating loan na 1,000 pesos. So, kung gusto mo po na ituloy yung pag-loan dito, itap natin itong get this loan. Tap natin yan. And then dito nga guys, amount to receive 970 pesos, repayment 265.70 per month, principal amount 1,000, interest per month 6.57%, processing fee 30 pesos, duration 5 months, payment due natin next January 10, 2024. Matagal pa yan guys. So may borrow tips naman po dito to get higher loan next time. Maintain a good G-score by paying early on time, or GCash can activate on due date as long as you have enough funds in your wallet. You can get a new loan once you finish paying your current loan. So, dito nga guys, iyan po yung borrowing tips na 3. So, continue natin. And then, ito nga guys, 970, repayment, andito na lahat-lahat ng mga ano natin. And then, scroll down lang natin. I-agree lang natin to mga privacy nila, itong disclosure statement, loan term and condition. So, continue natin. And then, you are about to receive. Ayan po yung marireceive natin. Please review the details to ensure everything correct before proceeding. So, confirm natin. And then, verify with text messages sa number natin. May marireceive po tayong authentication code. Ayan, 6 digit po yan ha. And then, kapag okay na, submit natin. Make sure guys na active po yung GCash nyo. Congrats, your loan application is successful. Your loan amount will be sent to your GCash account within 24 to 48 hours. You will receive a text or an email to confirm your transaction. Iyan po yung sabi ni GCash. And then, i-okay natin. And then dito, wait lang natin yung ating money. So dito, napakabilis guys kasi ang laman kanina nito is 1,665. So nadagdagan na po yung pera natin dito, yung 970. Agad-agad naman na marireceive natin yan. Pero yung text or email, hindi pa natin marireceive kasi sabi naman, after 24 or 48 hours. Pero yung pera, na-receive na natin. Andito na sa ating, yan, sa ating balance, andyan na po. So, ganun lang guys, kasimple mag-loan dito sa GCash via G-Loan. So, ganun lang. Stay safe and healthy. God bless po. Bye-bye.